What's the road, Lucas? That's no star. Look how big
You
it
can
is.
see the pole from it. You can see the pole under it.
Why is it so? Why is it so bright?
Because it's UFO, that's why it's so bright. Is it moving?
It's not moving.
Or are they just stars? Oh, there's so many.
No, they're all stars. Look at the difference in the size of the stars.
Look, it's fading away, Jan. It's going up.
That's what it is,
It's
look.
going up. See it rising?
Aye.
That's it moving away at speed.
I see it.
Watch it, it'll disappear there now.
Where?
It's moving away.
Right there,
It's
look, see it flashing red there.
Aye.
Plane.
Watch it. It's sat there for ages, it's got to disappear there
No
now.
plane sits like that, and it's
Look,
no planes.
It's got to disappear there now.
It's the Caesars.
Look at that. The plane is flashing.
No, it sat for ages. Sat for ages doing nothing.
It's flashing.
Look, it's gone right up. Look at the trajectory it's gone.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that.
Mum, your door's open, Mum.
Is that it?
Who is that?
Oh, yeah, that is.
What's that?
Look, it's like the lights are
It's coming there this way.
spinning around it.
It's coming there this way.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Coming there this way.
No, that's just.
So it stood there for ages, really bright, eh? So
Aye, it
that
really
can't be.
Look, they can see
It's
the
coming
lights
right at
in
us.
it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming, Mum!
I'm
Coming like.
watching it.
I bet it's silent. I bet it's silent.
It's gone! It's gone! It's gonna knock us your bed!
Oh, it's so fast.
Oh, he's right there! Shh! It's literally right here, Mum.
Feels like it's so close, but it's not.
Wow.
Oh, that's it!
This is like that time doing the boat with
Why
Tullibody.
is it right there? Why is it literally right there?
I don't know, man. That's.
It's triangular shape. Do you see that?
What is that?
Can you see it?
Aye, I
it's
can
so
see
big.
it.
It's triangular shape.
That is, it's a triangle.
What is that?
Oh yeah, bugger, man. That's mental.
What is that?
I know that it's just a
Yo, I think it looks like. I think it's
You
Caesar.
see it's triangular. Oh, you see that? Look at that, Jan. Oh, this is good footage.
What is that?
Oh, your boy.
That's a rocket.
I don't know what it is.
That's a UFO. That
Could be a drone.
Where is it?
It's a
That is
military
that's no
vehicle.
airplane.
It's a military vehicle.
It's a drone. Where's it going?
That's weird, isn't it?
What if it could be a
See the light flashing off it.
military vehicle? It could be a drone.
I've never seen a military vehicle can stay still like that.
Could be the Queen's drone.
Be so bright.
They're watching us.
Well, watch it, because it might do something really weird.
UFOs are like fast.
It might go straight up in the air in a minute. Look at it. Watch it.
It's a plane. Look, I
Watch
can
it.
see it. It's a plane. See the outline?
Well, how did it sit there? Your big bright light for ages. You ever seen an aeroplane sitting way down there? And when it was sitting there above that, at least it wasn't moving.
Where's it going to?
It was sitting still. No
Move on the
aeroplane.
car.
Sit still.
Where's
like
it
that.
going to?
Disappeared down the hill line.